So welcome to the new video, and in this video we will be simply learning about operators. And let me tell you that this video will be not much theoretical. We will be understanding code on VS Code much. So firstly I will explain slides which I have made, and then after we will move to VS Code and we will understand each and every code over there. So let's start with slides first. Obviously we need to learn bit of theory part of this. So firstly we will learn about comment. So by like pressing double slash we will be creating single line comment, and we use comment to keep our code like more functional. If we are writing something in our VS Code or whatever code editor you are using, and in case we are sending that code to other person, or if we are working on a project and there are 4 5 team members, so they also need to understand the code. So we use comment to like glory like tell about that code, what we are doing, what we are not doing. So yeah, comment are also important in programming languages. So when we need to generate single line comment, we just use double slash, and when we are using 4 5 lines of comments, then we use backslash star and this. And what is boilerplate code? I have already told in previous video that boilerplate code are like automatically generated codes from the code editor, like VS Code. When you press shift plus exclamation mark, you will get some boilerplate code. Now what are operators? Operators are basically operations uh, happening on values. Like operators perform operations on values. For example, in mathematics, a plus b, a and b are operands and plus is operator. Like a and b are operands and plus is operator. Okay, so this is operator: plus, minus, subtract. So these are arithmetic operators, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, which is remainder, exponentiations, which we use to like 2 to the power 2, square of 3, cube of 4. Then this will be used. And there is a type of operator which is known as unary operators, and this is of for the two types. Firstly it increment, and the second is decrement. And when we will be needing this, we will just use plus plus, and for decrement we will be using minus minus. And assignment operators. Okay, so when we write a is equal to b, then here there that equal to is assigns this value. That is not like mathematical. Arithmetic operators and assignment operators are different. And when we write plus a, when we write a plus is equal to 1, like, can I use, okay, when we write a plus is equal to 1, that means a is equal to a plus 1. Let me go to the, okay, here we will make console. Okay, we'll make it a little bigger. Okay, so here a plus is equal to 1. Okay, we can't, okay, we can't do that in console. Just understand, a plus is equal to 1 is equal to will be a is equal to a plus 1, where when we'll using this minus is equal to, then we will be like assign value. This is basically assign value in JavaScript. We can't say it equal to. So here in minus is equal, this will be giving us a is equal to a minus 1, and this will multiply things. This will be for division. So these are the basic things here. and the comparison operators. These are like more used in JavaScript. Double equal to is equal to, exclamation mark is equal to not equal to, and this is strict equal to, strict not equal to, and logical operators. These are also very important. And yeah, this is called logical and, which is shown by this symbol. Logical or are shown by pipe symbol, and this is logical not shown by exclamation mark. And in logical and, we want value, it will give true or false only as boolean. So in logical and, we have we will get true value only if both the values conditions are true, and if there is one false condition in that, we will be getting false as output or result. In logical or, if there is one value which sorry, not value, condition, if one condition of uh, them are true, then the output or result will be true. Logical not, basically this gives opposite result. If we are ultimately getting true value, true result, this will convert it to the false. If we are getting false as a result, it will convert it into true. So this is basically like opposite of whatever result we are getting. So we are done with the theoretical thing, and now for it we will be going to operators. Okay, so I will do it operators. Is there is? Yeah, there is S. Now we will go to operator. We will make it bigger now. Let me cancel this because we have no use of this now. Delete. Okay, so firstly we are like, these are let these are the way to like create variables. Let, we are using let here. Okay, so let a is equal to 10, let b is equal to 5. When we will do addition, console.log, we are doing all the arithmetic operations over here. Here I have told you unary operators, which is increment and decrement. Here it is written as plus or minus, this is the same thing. When we write a plus 10 and console.log plus a minus a, this is also the way to represent increment or decrement. Here the more like exemplify, these are the ways to write increment operator. We can add plus plus in behind and plus plus in at front and behind. So this is pre-increment and this is post-increment. As same, there is decrement operator, and yeah, minus minus b, this will be pre-decrement and this will be post-decrement. And now let's like run over. Okay, firstly we will understand all the code, then I will be showing you the output. Now assignment operator. Okay, let's c is equal to 20, c plus 5, this will give another value, c minus 5, we are doing console, we are doing all the things one by one. You can like check through this. Okay, and now comparison operator, console.log a is equal to v, console.log a strictly is equal to b, and this is not equal to, strictly not equal to. Okay, these are the code. Then this comes logical operator, let a is greater than b, obviously we will get false because if we can see over here, a is greater than b. So condition 2, a is equal to 5, strictly is equal to 5. These are the like I'm strictly using here, strictly equal to console log. Okay, and conditional statement, Okay, we will learn about conditional statement in the next video. So these are the way to like write code on arithmetic operations. Simply a plus b, a minus b, a into b. Unary operator, increment operator plus plus, like this. Decrement operator, we have to like be little careful about this thing. Assignment operator, console log, c minus, console log, multiplication, division, remainder, and we are like using exponentiation here. Comparison operator, logical operator, I have told you in through that slides, and conditional statement we will learn in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and we will surely meet in the next video.